Now let's have blessings set 4. Okay, let's have number 76. The kidneys contain millions of excretory units or filter units which is made up of a network of glomeruli or yung glomerulus natin. Anong tawag po sa units na ito? Pag kidney units po, basic unit ng kidney, ang tawag po natin dyan is syempre si nephrons. Okay? Basic unit ng kidney, nephrons. 77. Which is the biogas obtained from biological waste such as those from animal manures. Pag biogas po na na-obtain natin, okay, sa mga waste products, sa mga animal manures, ang biogas natin is si methane. Okay? Si methane po. 78. Which hormone promotes the development of secondary female sexual characteristics? Okay. Secondary sexual characteristics ng mga female po yung hinahanap natin dito. Pag secondary female characteristics, ang hormone po dyan is si estrogen. Okay? Si estrogen. 79. How are mitochondria and chloroplasts similar to bacteria? How are mitochondria and chloroplasts similar to bacteria? Okay, ano po ang similarities po nila? So from the options, letter A, they lack chromosomes, hindi po. They are larger than normal cells, hindi po. They are bounded by a single membrane, hindi po kasi non-bounded po sila. So ang sagot natin is they have limited amount of genetic material. Si mitochondria at si chloroplast po are believed to have originated from free living bacteria that were engulfed by ancestral eukaryotic cells in a process known as endosymbiosis. As a result po, si mito at si chloro have many similarities sa bacteria including having their own DNA and ribosomes and being bounded by two membranes. However, yung amount po of genetic material niya is limited po compared to a free living bacteria. So letter D po ang sagot. Limited po siya, yung genetic material niya. 80. The fungi are a distinct kingdom of eukaryotic organisms characterized by these different features. Together with bacteria, they are decomposers of the biosphere. Which of the following statements is true? Okay, we are talking about the way that they decompose po. Okay, decomposers po sila. So ano po ang sagot dito? Ang sagot po natin is letter D po. Yung yeast natin is nagpo-possess po siya ng ability to break down glucose to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. Okay? Yung statement po na fungi reproduce only sexually, false po yan. Because many fungi po can also reproduce asexually. Okay? Cell walls of fungi are not made of cellulose but rather made of chitin. While sa mga fungi po, some fungi po may possess flagella at some point in their life cycle. And not every fungus does. So letter D po ang tamang sagot dito. 81. Two organisms can be identified at belong to the same species if they can what? So, yung two organisms daw, ma-identify na nabibelong sa same species if they can interbreed. Okay? If they can interbreed. Breed in natural setting. 82. What is the main function of the peripheral nervous system? Ano po ang main function ng peripheral nervous system? Pag peripheral po, it connects central nervous system to all organs because it is responsible for transmitting information between the body and the brain, allowing us to sense and respond to the stimuli sa environment. 83. What kind of relationship is exhibited by algae and fungi in lichen? Okay? Algae and fungi in lichen, symbiosis po. Okay? Pag lichen, symbiosis. 84. Root may perform all the following function except what? Okay? Mape-perform siya ng lahat ng options ito except kay, siyempre, pag root, hindi siya hindi siya makaka-process po ng photosynthesis kasi yung leaves po si photosynthesis. Root is responsible for anchorage, food storage, at saka water absorption. 85. How does the liver assist the digestive system? So, paano po ina-assist ni liver yung digestive system natin? Pag liver po, liver, it secretes bile. Okay, it secretes bile saan po? Sa small intestine. Bakit? Anong purpose niya? It will help the emulsification and absorption of fats po sa digestive system. Please remember that one. 86. Which of the following factors contribute to an increase in a town's human population? So ano po ang contributions or factors po na ma-increase yung population sa isang municipality or town? Siyempre, it will add the population. When we add a population, immigration and natality is occurring. Okay? Immigration and natality. IMMI po ha. Yan po yung movement ng mga individuals into a population from the outside. Yung natality naman, birth rate po. 87. What may occur when both alleles contribute to the phenotype of heterozygous individual to produce a trait that is not exactly like that of the either parent? Okay. Key-term po natin dito not exactly like that of the parent. Meaning to say, it undergoes incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. 88. DNA is two genetic material, while as RNA po, RNA kay protein synthesis. Si RNA kay protein synthesis. 89. Who among the following scientists supported the idea that evolutionary changes occurred because there was a need for them? So, yung idea po niya is yung pag-evolve natin, nag-occur lang siya dahil need talaga natin. Need talaga natin. So, anong sagot dito? Ito po yung giraffe po, yung giraffe theory po. Okay? Yung idea po niya is yung giraffe dahil need po siya na kumain ng food po. Dahil doon, tumataas po yung neck niya. So, sino po yan? Si Lamarck. Okay? Si Lamarck po. 90. White blood cells are the soldiers of the body. They fight disease-causing organisms. They are what? Okay? Yung white blood cells natin ay tinatawag nating phagocytes. Okay? Phagocytes po. They are also called leukocytes. Okay? Leukocytes. Next one. 91. In double-stranded DNA, which of the following are complementary to each other? Okay, yung DNA po natin sa double-stranded, di ba double-stranded naman si DNA. Which of the following po is complementary po sa isa't isa? Ano po ang complementary? Yung mga members po of the base pair. Ano nga yun? Si adenine nagpe-pair kay thymine at si guanine naman nagpe-pair kay cytosine. Anong band ang ginagamitan niya? Two hydrogen bonds, thus forming base pairs. ATGC. 92. Which best describes meiosis as another form of cell division with accompanying nuclear changes? Okay, nuclear changes po. Pag meiosis po, each new cell has half the number of chromosomes. Okay, meiosis, each new cell has half the number of chromosomes. 93. Which of the following would be true if 30% of an organism's DNA is thymine? Okay, pag 30% of the organism is thymine po, it will also have 30% of adenine. Okay, 30% would be adenine. According po sa Chargaff's rule, in a DNA po, the amount of purine is equal to the amount of pyrimidine. Therefore, if meron tayong 30% of thymine, its complementary purine po, si adenine will also be 30%. Rest 40% will be constituted by equal amounts of guanine and cytosine. So 20% each po si ATU at si G at C. 94. Which blood type has neither anti-A nor anti-B blood? Anti-B and can receive blood from anyone. So universal acceptor, C, type AB blood. Universal acceptor, type AB blood. 95. The formation of a cell plate is beginning across the middle of a cell. A nuclei are reforming at opposite ends of the cell. Anong tawag sa cell po nito? Okay, yung formation daw ni cell is nagsa-start po across the middle of the cell at si nuclei po is nagre-reform po siya at the opposite ends. Anong tawag po dito? Ang tawag po dito is si plant cell po is nag-undergo siya ng cytokinesis. Okay? Cytokinesis. Plant cell po si plant cell, hindi si animal cell. 96. One who specialized in all kinds of fishes. Okay, specialized in kinds of species. Hindi species. Fishes po, yung mga isda. Pag isda, study of fishes, ichthyology. Letter A, ichthyology. 97. Which plants formed the vast coal beds during the Carboniferous period? Okay, anong plants po daw ang nagpo-form doon sa vast coal beds during the Carboniferous period? Ang tawag po sa plants noon is yung mga lycopods. Okay? Lycopods. Ito po mga ancient plants na ito, sila po yung abundant po during the Carboniferous period, 360 million years ago. Ito po ang makikita natin as coal deposits as ngayon, in the present. 98. Identify the steroid hormones among the following. Okay, steroid hormones. Androgen, steroid ba? Si androgen, steroid ba? Sorry, nawala ang mic. Okay, balik tayo ha. Identify the steroid hormones. Okay, sino dito ang steroid? Si androgen, steroid ba? Yes, steroid po yan. Si estrogen, steroid din po? Steroid din po yan. Oxytocin, hindi po siya steroid. Progesterone, steroid din po. So, ang sagot is si 1, 2, and 4, which is si Charlie. 99. When the air sacs of smoker's lung become brittle, the patient experiences breathlessness. Anong tawag sa condition na ito? Ito usually nakikita natin sa pakete po ng isang sigarilyo po. Nandito po ang sagot dito. Ang sagot po is emphysema. Okay? Emphysema. Pag patient experiences breathlessness, pag smokers lang, emphysema. Last number. How will you determine the population density of grass growing in a school lawn? Okay? So, population density is, di ba, yung number of organisms over yung area. So, ano po dito? Letter C, Charlie. Measure the area first and count the number of grass. Then, divide the number of grass over the total area. So, we are done po sa set 4. See you po sa set 5.